Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Spectrum Wire. I'm your host today, and we're talking about Indian Oil Corporation Limited's soaring stock price. But what's behind this uptrend? Let's dive into the numbers. Indian Oil's return on equity, or ROE, may look unimpressive at 8.8%, but that's not entirely surprising given the broader industry average of 13%. However, the company has managed to grow its net income by a modest 14% over the past 5 years, which is actually lower than the industry average growth of 26%. So, what's driving this growth? One factor could be Indian Oil's low payout ratio of 54%, meaning it retains 46% of profits. This may not seem like a lot, but it's worth noting that the company has a long history of paying dividends, and existing analyst estimates suggest that the payout ratio will drop to 32% over the next 3 years. But what about earnings growth? Indian Oil's ROE is expected to rise to 11% over the same period, which could indicate a more significant increase in profit retention. This, combined with the lower payout ratio, suggests that the company may be building up its profits for future growth. Now, let's talk about the P/E ratio, which determines how much investors are willing to pay for a stock based on its earnings prospects. Indian Oil is trading on a relatively high P/E, but this could be because investors expect the company's earnings growth to continue. At Spectrum Wire, we're always looking at the bigger picture when it comes to investing in companies like Indian Oil. We want to know if the expected earnings growth is already built into the share price, and whether that means the stock is due for a correction or if it has more room to run. That's all for today's episode of Spectrum Wire. If you're looking for insights on stocks like Indian Oil, be sure to check out our latest analysis and stay tuned for more market news and insights from us at Spectrum Wire.